Hey guys, Amaya here, and you're listening to Anime Convention Video. This is the updates for October 7th, 2013. First off, we have updates for NekoCon. Neko Art Challenge. Open to applicants at con from Thursday 7 p.m. till Saturday 10 p.m. Winners will be announced Sunday at 10 a.m. Must be present at the con to pick up your prize. Fashion Walk. Interested in Japanese fashions like Lolita, Decora, Gagara, Fairy K, and Visual K? They're calling for the models. Fan panels and workshop submissions are being processed. Confirmation email by October 8th. Flash sales for the hotel rooms. $99 for 1 to 2 people, $109 for 3 to 4 people. This ends October 21st. Karaoke signups are here. Deadline is October 25th. Or until the slots are full. First come, first serve, so get them in. Panelist Idol. Registration at the con. Winner will be a featured panelist for next year's panel. We also have some reminders for you as well. AMV Idol entries are due October 20th, 2013 at 11:59 p.m. Also, we have some new guests. Mike McFarland will be joining us. And sadly, have to announce that Candy Spook Theater had to cancel on us. Next up, we have RothCon, or Ring of Fire Con. Dealer's Room. Booths are available for $325. If you need any information, check out the links down below in the descriptions. Also, don't forget to like, comment, hey, even subscribe for us. We'll really appreciate it. Well, this is Amaya. Thanks for listening to Anime Convention Video.